Okay, so first thing first, we have to load the dataset. So let's load the dataset into Power BI. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So now our dataset is loaded. As you can see on the right side column, we have Chris Brown dataset loaded. So let's do our first visualization, which is going to be visualizing top tracks. So for that we will be using bar chart. So let's click on that, and on the x-axis we are going to put total streams, and in the y-axis we are going to have track name to visualize top tracks. Let's change the title, top tracks. Okay, perfect. Our chart is also loaded. Okay, now fastly move on to second visualization, which is going to be column chart. I'm going to use clustered column chart over here, and we are going to show albums breakdown over here. Okay, so in the x-axis I'm gonna have album, and in the y-axis I'm going to have total streams, not daily streams. Okay, so yes, you can see some of Spotify total streams by album. So let's rewrite the title as album breakdown, albums breakdown. Okay, changing font to Arial black, keeping it bold, keeping it aligned. Similarly over here, changing font to Arial black, keeping it bold, keeping it aligned. Okay, now fastly moving on to third visualization, which is popularity by genre, which is column chart. So we will be using a normal 100% stacked column chart over here. So clicking on that, resize it, and I'm gonna have genre into x-axis, and in y-axis we are going to be having popularity score. Okay, so as you can see over here, so changing the title again, popularity score has to be average. Okay, so you can see 66% R&B is popular within Chris Brown's catalog. 69% is hip hop, and most is pop. Okay, so changing the title of it to popularity by genre, keeping it bold, keeping it Arial black, keeping it aligned. Okay, now fastly moving on to our fourth visualization, which is going to be pie chart. We will be visualizing genres. Okay, so yeah, and track name. So yes, so we will be showing pie chart, which will be showing percentage of tracks per genre. So similarly, changing the title over here also, genre distribution, changing the font to Arial black, keeping it bold, keeping it aligned. Okay, so now let's add a couple of KPI cards. Let's add number of tracks first, counting it distinct. Okay, removing category label, switching on title, tracks. keeping it aligned. Perfect. Okay. Uh, okay. And another KPI card I'm gonna have. Okay, let's remove this first. Let's add some uh, background stuff uh, to enhance this dashboard, to enhance the visual outlook of it. So let's add some PNGs which I have already there. Okay, looks kind of cool. Some more, I guess. Hmm. One more, I guess. Perfect. Okay, so reshaping these visualizations to adjust accordingly. Okay, so yeah, tracks, and I think background has to be pink or red, aligning with the uh, PNGs I've uploaded. Okay, red would suit. Let's go with solid red. Yeah. Okay, let's change the aesthetics of this card first. Going to general, going to effects, going to pink, increasing the transparency. Okay, switching on visual border, switching on shadow, clicking on visual border. It's going to be white. As many round corners as possible. Clicking on shadow, clicking on white. Perfect. Let's go to visual. Let's go to x-axis. Keeping it white, keeping it bold, keeping it Arial black. Switching off title, clicking on y-axis. Switching off title, clicking on values, clicking on white, clicking on Arial black, clicking on bold. So yeah, and of course the color has to align. Keep it pink. Or keep it okay. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Let's change the title to white color. I'm not happy with this bar color. Let's check it. uh, yeah, this is okay, I guess. Yeah, so let's do this also. For pop, let's add, for hip hop, let's add okay, and for R&B, let's add this. Okay, so yeah, legend has to be there but not labels. Okay, now making it white and making it of course pinkish, and then increasing transparency, switching off, switching on visual border, clicking on white, rounded corners, and let's have width increased, switching on shadow, switching on white, clicking on visual, clicking on slices, the third has to be no, this is okay. Okay, and then clicking on legend, clicking on title, switch off the title, clicking on text, it has to be keeping it bold, keeping it okay. Let's change the color a bit more. Let's add it white only. Okay, and here I think width has to be increased. Okay, switching on visual border, switching on shadow, switching on pink, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Okay, clicking on white, clicking on visual, clicking on white, switching off title, switching off title. Okay, it has to be white, and of course the color change. Okay, perfect. And similarly with this, okay, and go to general, go to effects, go to pink, increase the transparency, text color white, white, increase the rounded corner, switching off title, making it white, switching off title. Okay, now let's let's align it Okay. Okay. I need a Spotify logo also over here. Okay. I also need a, that's it. Okay. Let's have YouTube logo also. Okay. Perfect. Now let's do one thing. Let's transmit the KPI card first. Then we'll see. Go to effect, go to pink, increase the transparency, switching on visual border, switching on shadow, switching on visual border, making it white, increase the revenue count, clicking on shadow, clicking on white. Okay, and changing the title color to pink, dark pink, light pink. Okay, and visual to white. Looks cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a couple of more KPIs. Then we will be wrapping up this tutorial. Okay, so here we can have another KPI cards showing popularity score by average, which is 69. Okay, it's kind of cool. Okay, now going to call out value, decreasing the font. Okay, perfect. Now going to tracks. Now we can have total streams or daily streams. Let's have daily streams. Okay, going to visual, going to call out value, decreasing the font size. Okay, so now let's give a more broader look of our dashboard. Okay, so this is what we have created so far, and this is a very beginner friendly dashboard tutorial which I have taught you. So you can try using custom data sets you can create, okay, which doesn't have to be like correct as far as streaming data is concerned, but you can like create dummy data sets accordingly and practice uh, visualizing statistics of your favorite musician. Okay, so see you in next tutorial.